He's shaking. But look, remember, look at the speed as well this time. He's shaking.
Yeah, because I want to go faster, but I'm going to hurt myself. I'll get a right bollocking from work.
So this is Rob. He's about to do 150 amps, 420 phase amps. Here he goes. Go. Fucking hell, you done a wheelie. He done a wheelie. I know I said it'd be part 2 on the build, but the parts didn't turn up, so we're just going to go for slide instead. Built out the auction bike. You've seen it in the other video, but I've changed the battery. It's just a 45 BMS, 18 amps, 48 volt. And it's running off a 60 amp controller. The BMS is only 45, so it's only going to draw out 45 to 40 anyway. But this is going to be completely stripped, resprayed, new battery, 72 volts, 5,000 watt, or an 8,000 watt plug. But for the minute, we're just going to take it out and see what it's like as it is. Then obviously, you know the Razor Rambler, 16, 3,500 watts, 72 volts. I will finish the full build soon, but for now we're just going to go for it. Right, here we go. I'll switch it into speed 3. See the acceleration straight up there. I've switched it from 100 amps line and 335 amps phase, so that's why it's giving me that extra acceleration. That's on speed 3, then I'll half it down to speed 2. But yeah, that's why I'm hitting that speed. I'll let you go, then you can. Right, so on this video it's going to be partly me talking to you, me talking to my mate. Just sort of, we're going to do some speed runs, we're going to do acceleration runs, and we're going to have a nice drive through the countryside, and just a bit of both, just talking about e-bikes and everyday life, really. Alright, so we're taking out the auction bike and the Razor Rambler. Let's see how we get on. Yeah, I've been mucking about with the bike, really, just with the Fardriver app. I've been changing all the wattages and the amps and the phase amps, and just seeing what sort of different speeds I can get. Because I was told by the supplier that it's only rated to 50 amps, and obviously that's continuous. And obviously they're going to be cautious because they don't want you burning out the motor, then you go after them for warranty and so forth. But I've been mucking about, like I've put 100 through it, like you just see. Then I've done the phase at 335, but then also on the second speed I've put that down so it only comes on about 60. So I'm not going to be, I think it's alright as long as you're not banging it the whole way, as long as you're just giving it spurts with that sort of speed. So that's why I've got the second gear, so I can keep it around the 60, so I know that's safe, nothing's going to happen. But I've been checking the hub motor, so I've been touching it. It's not even been warm. Like, I mean, it's meant to be hot and you can touch it for a few seconds. Like, obviously if it's burning then you know there's something wrong, but it's not even warm to touch, really. You get the odd, sort of starts feeling a bit warm. So I've been doing that and experimenting, and the difference, especially when you put the phase, because the phase amp, I believe, is more to do with the like the torque, and the line amps are more to do with power, so that'd be your top end sort of speed. But to be fair, I've been putting that through. That first ever video I done with the wobble, that only had 50 amps, and now I've been doing 100. And in this video you see me, I actually put it up to 150 and 420 phase amps. So yeah, we're just going to be doing some acceleration runs, speed runs. I'm not going to go flat out yet because I'm still getting used to it. It still has that bit of where the stiffness, getting used to it, is going off. But the faster you go, obviously you don't need to turn, so it does actually level out. But it's just getting used to it. So obviously I don't want to land on my face. That's the last thing I want, is end up like damaging anything for me. But yeah, so we're going to get to the point, we're going to do some speed runs, so yeah, enjoy. This is why I can't wait till I go to America and source an MX650 or an SX500 frame, because just being able to go over these fields with suspension and ripping through it, so I don't have to do like 5-10 mile an hour until I get to a nice flat bit, because obviously it's not built for that. It's a cruiser, but over here you can't be on the roads as much because you can't get caught. So yeah, so if anyone is listening in the New York area or the Boston area by any chance, and in November is going to have a frame for sale, or can help me take it apart and I'll just take the frame, you can have the rest of it, please hit me up in the comments, let me know by any chance. Someone might be watching, so I thought I'd ask. And yeah, I'm going to do vlogs while I'm over in New York and Boston, just coming out the airport, just trying to source it. A few other bits, I know it's not a travel video, but I'd like to add it in. It's going to be a nice journey. And here's some drone footage, just something I'm adding to my videos. And let's go. Just want to say a huge thank you. At the time of viewing, I've done over 900 subs in 2.5 months. My viewing hours are going up fast. Thank you for all the comments. I know we're getting a lot of comments about the parts and everything else, and like I said before, I have got a store coming, a website. It should be up and running in the next couple of weeks. It's just I'm working really close with all the suppliers, and it's a lot of detail we've had to put in. We're keeping the prices low, quality high, so thank you very much everyone for your support.
That's the only thing with this front suspension, because it isn't got suspension, and I think I've put it on too tight. Literally you pick up, there's no move play in it. Where the fuck are we? Looks a bit of a weird sort of out the way building, isn't it? Well, this has right to walk anyway. I look on the map. Oh, that road looks better, doesn't it? No. Whoa. Mate, on the map it says it's right away. So it's bank holiday Monday anyway. Let's go. Should we have a race? See what one goes quicker. Go. I'll tell you. Go. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. I really need to get the front. I don't want to push it too much because there's just no movement in the front of these forks, and it's just like it feels like it would just tip over. So I don't want to push that too much. Right away. Yeah, do you want to try it on here?
Crazy. It's a bicycle. Doing nearly 40 mile an hour.
Where do you go from here? That takes you to the main road. Surely that must take you in a pathway on the other side. Right, that's mad, that power, isn't it?
Crazy, because
it's stiff.
Short wheelbase.
Yeah.
I'm sure I tried to wheelie that.
It wouldn't lift.
I can't be stupid, I've got no helmet, I'm going to fuck myself up.
It's the way it lifts, isn't it? It's like, I can pull it faster if you want. Or maybe not. Ah, I think this is where we've got to go. Oh, it's wet now. I was about to say we've got to go underneath. Too wet down there, isn't it? Fucking hell. It weren't raining the other day, was it? Let's change that road, see where it goes. You happy on that? You happy on that?
Yeah.
Sorry? Yeah, I know. A lot more comfortable, isn't it? I've seen people make suspension for one of them, but it takes a lot of effort. But I'm going to muck about with buying different ones and just trying it out. So I think that would loosen up the front, do you know what I mean? Over there's the other field. Let's see if we can get in there. That field takes you all the way to up to Stilton. Can't really get in, can we? It's a shame. Yeah, we've got that on there. It's a shame the laws over here are so strict. In America, you do what you want. Yeah, I'll get some shots of you going fast on that one. Go. I'm doing 25, so he must be easy fucking 40. You easily must have done 40 then. I was doing 26, 27. Yeah. Fuck it, now look at it go. I built a beast. That was quick,
No, I'm not doing that again without help.
You in free? You in speed 3? Yeah, you're in speed. No, hang on, stop a minute. Yeah, you're in 3. Yeah, let me try one more thing for the talk. That's why we're on a nice road. It's a good testing road, this actually. Just for one row, like, so I've got you on 200. I'm going to put you on 200 amp, well, 150. And 420. Could go bang. Could work.
I think it's your go.
Alright, one sec. So 150 amps. Go.
I'm not going too fast.
Fucking hell. Look at it go! Fucking hell. Did it make a difference?
I've chickened right out then.
That was
That
well.
would have gone a lot faster.
Go then, one more time, and then I'll switch it back. Go. 150 amps, 420. Oh, look at it go! Oh my god! Hell, you launched. Did you look at the speedo?
Oh, I'm looking straight ahead.
Do it one more time and look at the speedo.
I can't.
That was crazy.
Did it not say maximum speed?
No, because it shows the old Axe maximum speed I've done. Don't you put it up to 200
No.
for one go? See what it's like, power.
No, not that.
Do a mile of it.
No.
He's shaking. But look, remember, look at the speed as well this time. He's shaking.
Yeah, because I want to go faster, but I'm going to hurt myself. I'll get a right bollocking from work.
So this is Rob. He's about to do 150 amps, 420 phase amps. Here he goes. Go. Fucking hell, you done a wheelie. He done a wheelie. Oh my god. He done a wheelie. Ah. Fucking hell. Lean forward, lean forward.
Turn it down.
Fucking. This is why you lift.
I want that one back.
Oh, let me try it.
Get some life out of me.
That's fucking.
Whoa.
Oh. Yeah, no. What's the hub?
Careful, man. Turn that down.
Let's try one more time. It won't lift with me, I'm too heavy. Fuck! Fucking hell, that's too much power. 150 amp. Whoa! It lifts with me. Yeah, I'm turning that down. I think we've had fun with that experiment, but let's turn that down. Back brake is stinking. It's burning. That back brake is burning, mate. That's designed for a push bike. No, it lifted with me.
It's hot.
That's why it lifted. And that's to do with the phase amps.
Shit, you need to find out how fast that went. I just did 30 on this and that was nothing. That was going a lot faster.
Yeah.
Shit.
That's the real shit. Let's save it. Oh, that's saved. There we go. Fucking hell. And to be fair, for something what's only rated 50, it's only meant to be rated, that motor, to 50 amps. And we put 150 through it. And it's not even hot. You think that would be hot, wouldn't you? Back brakes are oh, whoa, man, they scored. Look how scored them brakes are. I think I might have to upgrade to proper bike. bike ones. No, that was good though. Just the way that lifted. That was crazy. Wow. Should we go to the bottom then? That's crazy. Whoa. I'm just hoping I don't end up getting brake failure with that fence coming up. I'm gonna go straight into that. Feels like it's loosening up. Is that a good thing or is that a bad thing? Is that because the forks are like come loose? It's the way that lifted it. I've got that on camera as well.
Don't show Stacey.
That's going to be the entry into my video. When you fuck about with amps, you find out. You should have held the back braking on for a wheelie. No, that was fun. That was fun.
Cycling's much more fun when you don't have to pedal.
Isn't it? Yeah, that's all right, that bike though, isn't it? It's more I've got the frame. I got that one from auction. Yeah. I've got new tyres for it. Like I said, I'm going to do the back hub, so I'm going to put 5,000 or 8,000 on it. 72 volt. That'd be quicker than this. That will just. But with all that, where it's stable, you got the big wheels on it and everything else. Yeah. There's a video online on Ebike guy. He's one done like 103 mile an hour or something, yeah. And he got the kid like I think it was his nephew or something to do it. And he had like. I'm not sure if he had a helmet on or anything. He's doing a wheelie at 60 mile an hour on a push bike. But the same guy like said that when he died 6 months later on a motorbike. All that, but the guy, they used to call him Kid Knievel or something, because he was just off his head. He was doing wheelies at like 60 mile an hour. I wouldn't even want to do a wheelie at 10 mile an hour, let alone. Man, that would have been good if you kept the wheelie going on that.
A few milliseconds more and your bike would have been on the floor.
It's just the way you launch. I'm sure I had that. That was good footage. It's good footage. You might have just got me a few views there, sounds. Yeah, nice bike though. I like the frame on that. Solid. That'll handle 5,000, 8,000 watts. I didn't realise this actual road was here. This is a good little test strip. Test out the bike. It's nice you don't get any walkers up here as well. They all... Right, go. Yeah. Yeah, when I get that MX 650, right, that will have proper suspension on it. But on here, it'll just rip. It'll just be fucking. And I think this is the only one of this is in this country as well. The actual like the they have the 16, the Rambler 16s. They're not popular, but I mean zooped up from what I've seen.
I want one now.
You want one? Well, I've got that other one in the shed as well. What I've built, but fuck it, I'll put a flywheel on it. And the washer bloody melted into the flywheel. Oh. So I've got to drill it out and then rehook it up. I've got all the little bits to make one. If you want to make one with me, then you can have that to use. I've got all the bits, we just got to rebuild it all. Probably put it on a better bike frame as well, to be honest. Because that one I'm using is a hardtail, it's an old frame.
Oh, I just saw the old Conan mountain bikes. It's one for 50 quid and it's got a big rear suspension.
Oh, is it?
But I don't think that would fit wide.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll let you go there. nice little ride through the countryside bit. I hope you enjoyed it. More to come. Ready? Yeah, like I said, I want to go bigger and better. That one in front of us, you'll see me, I'll spray that up, do it all up. Nice big battery, nice big motor. We're going to make that into a beast. And then we've got the American trip coming up. I think I might be in Spain, I might be in Sweden. I might be taking this bike to Spain with me, so we get some nice shots out there. Yeah, we've got some good videos coming up, and thank you. I've just reached 900 subs, so I can't believe how quick I've reached it, only 2.5 months in. Let's keep this channel going. That acceleration on that, mate, love it, fucking love it. Bloody love it. Go, go, go.
Please like, share, subscribe, and thank you for watching.